This is the impossible Martin's Menace puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Stewart Coffin and made by creative Crafthouse. Difficulty level of the Martin's Menace puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle, as I mentioned, is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame. And if you try to solve the puzzle, you will see that you can easily put 2 parts inside, but then there is not enough space for the third one. And we have 4 parts, so it looks totally crazy and impossible. If you like that Martin's Menace puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos about puzzles. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. The solution is quite crazy and absolutely unexpected, since when you try to solve the puzzle, you think that you can easily fit like 2 parts, put them together like that and squeeze them inside the frame, but they don't fit. The frame is a little bit smaller than 2 parts together. You can put them like that, but then when you try to fit one of the other parts, they don't fit, since there is just not enough space. Even like this, you can't put 3 parts inside. It is not enough, just a little bit of space, and then there is an extra 4th piece. So how to solve the puzzle? You put it like that, then you add 1 more piece. As you can see, I put it in a little bit odd way. Then you add this piece right here, and now looks impossible, but we have just enough space to fit the last piece, and the puzzle is solved. Totally crazy. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.